Okay, if that dog will stop barking, I can proceed. Hey guys, JCM here. And I need a haircut. Look at that shit. Yeah. That's 3 months of growth. I've been keeping this trim, but that's 3 months of growth. Got a little tabletop video for you today. Last year I started to develop a medical kit. So, this handle is really nice. I love this. And this is a great one. Oh boy, I should have made notes on what this is called. Crap. I'm professional. Be right back. That. I bought that. That's what it is. Infantile Molly medical pouch. And I got it in that color. And it came with that and that. And it is that much money. Okay. Okay. So that's what this is. And I saw a YouTuber or some bushcrafter or somebody go through his, and he was able to pack a ton in this thing. And so I got me one too, and you can fill it out pretty good. So now this has a Velcro thing that attaches to your backpack or your webbing or whatever, and and you can rip this whole thing off via this and travel with that. So I want to do a video series where you guys, the subscribers and viewers, help me out with figuring out what to put in it, because I can't think of everything and I don't know very much about medical stuff. I have been catching up on YouTube and learning how to do this certain stuff, and I did pick up some stuff. A friend of mine suggested I get a IFAK refill kit, and somebody's using the hose right up here. Alright, smoke break. Found it. So, got these straps here, and they do that. And this basically fits on here. I'm just going to put that here. Actually, that kind of keeps it from unzipping, I guess. Protects it. And this comes all the way over and basically secures it to this plate here. So, ain't that neat? So if you wanted to use it, or rip it off your main pack or whatever, undo that, grab this, and there you go. So I thought that's really neat. Okay, so there they are. I have 2 of these then. Oh, yeah, I do have 2 of these. Oh. Alright, so I thought for a cool video series, yeah, I don't know, you guys help me figure out what to put in it and what I might not be able to think of. And for this video, we're going to go through all the crap I did collect and put it in and have a look at it. So first things first, the elephant in the room is this. Now this is going to be kind of a jack of all trades kit, medical kit. I want stuff for, I'm thinking, I'm out there and I get mauled by a bear or a cougar, or get shot by a hunter, all kinds of stuff. So I got this, and this is basically, if I can remember how it goes, is a cat tourniquet. Pouch came separately. I had to order that separately. So I thought this would be worth having around, if I can remember how to use it. It's been a while. I got to refresh my memory on that. that around up above a severed artery injury, as high as you can, as close to the body as you can, to the torso as you can get it. Then, you know, clamp it down tight like that. And then you use this, and that pulls on this internal cord. That's all running all the way through it, and then you basically twist that. I think clockwise, maybe. And yep, maybe. I'm not sure. Well, anyway, maybe it goes this way. Anyway, you twist that a couple times. You lock the bar in this slot here, and then this goes over that, and that holds it in place. And then you can write the first time you applied it, the tourniquet onto your injury. And my research has turned out that you can leave this on for up to 6 hours, but if you take it off again, you gotta write and put it back on. You gotta write the new time on it too. So if you take it on and off, you gotta write times you put it on there, so you can keep track of how long it's been on. So that is really neat. So fix this the way they showed you how to do it on YouTube. So, and I got it in Hunter Orange, so doctors can't miss it. Anybody else can't miss that I have it on me. Oh man. Let's see here. How did I do this? Oh boy, that's gonna be tough. Was it like that? I don't know. Okay, back to the internet.
Alright, so we're going to start here at the timestamp. Make sure that it does not get pulled over like this. A lot of guys I see pull it like this. This is one step you got to remember when you're applying, is to pull this loose. So go ahead and secure your timestamp to the side. That way, in a stressful situation, you don't have to remember to undo it here. So this is our tail here. This is where the red tip, of course, comes in here. I'll have this about 6 to 8 inches, depending on how good you are at measuring. 6 to 8 inches. Guys, ask your wife or girlfriend to measure for you. But have this about to here. And then when it folds up, I usually put the Velcro on top of itself right here, because it actually helps keep it closed together. So you can stick it together just like that, and it sticks together. That way it doesn't kind of come flimsy apart. So I hope that makes sense. So we've got this here. Gonna run this down here. So now we basically 6 to 8 inches. We fold it in half here, and then just fold it back on top of itself. And that little bit of stickiness will actually help keep it together.
Oh, this is the hardest part. Yeah. Ta-da! So yeah, I went with the green one. I think I should have gone with a different color, because I don't know. Well, I can always get another one, I guess. Okay. So that I consider important to have, and I decided to put it on the outside of the pack, so it's super easy to get to, and just rip that off and rip it out and start using it. So that is nice. Okay, so let's see here. Oh, I forgot I had those. Yeah, gloves. We'll get to those later. Is there anything else in here? Okay. So, let's see. Let's start with the small stuff and work our way up. What do you say? Yeah? Okay, so where is my small stuff? Okay, well, I got a bunch of stuff. I got a bunch of stuff from IFAK refill. I'm not sure what to put in, so we'll see. Band-aids. I know I need band-aids, so I went out and looked for as big as a varieties I could. So I think this is my actual Band-Aid kit here. I've already made. Let's see here. What's all this? Okay. Oh yeah, some this and that and the others. Oh right, where are those? Oh, that's a trainer. Okay. Oh yeah, skin shield. Okay, let's start with like, I don't know, cuts and scrapes and stuff. Skin shield. This is new to me. I've never used this before. So it's basically a liquid Band-Aid, and has a brush on it. So thought that might be neat to pack. You know, instead of using Band-Aids and stuff, I can just put this over shallow scrapes and cuts and stuff. So I'm gonna put that in here. I'm gonna find where did I put this? Sons of bitches. Okay. Oh, definitely need this. Definitely need this. This is for wasps and bee stings and ant bites and all kinds of stuff. It's both wipes and these I don't know what you call them. I don't know. But you take these out and you snap them, and then it leaks into this gauze here at the end of the tube, and you apply it. So I got both types here. That's definitely going in here for that, because my actual last camping trip, I got stung by a wasp right in there, right there. Probably still see the hole, and oh, did it hurt. Okay, I got a bunch of random things here. Let me dig it all out. This is what I'm looking for right here. And my chair's squeaky. Okay, so definitely want these for camping. My wasp sting kit. These are the real EpiPens right here. Because I am deathly allergic to bee stings. So if solution is discolored, replace. Doesn't look like it. Okay, so yeah. So if solution is discolored, replace. And it looks clear to me. So I guess it's okay. So I definitely need these. And I saw some Molly pouches for these, kind of like kind of like this, but different. So I need to get those because I want these on the outside of the pack. I want those to be at the ready. So yeah. So we'll put those over here somewhere. And if you don't know how to use an EpiPen, here's the trainer. Right in the meat of the thigh, and just stab it and hold it. Actually, you want to count to about 30 seconds and actually just leave it there. You don't want to, you don't want to go like that. You won't inject the stuff inside it. You gotta put it there and hold it and wait. So that's how it works. Okay, so we got a liquid Band-Aid, and then let's go into my Band-Aids. I guess this is the one. I don't know. Let me look here. Because you definitely want Band-Aids. So I think I went with big variety. I'm still working on it. I'm not sure how many I got. I got these big batches. It's almost like a gauze. And I got, I think, these are probably all the same ones. Yeah. So I keep them organized. I keep them very organized. And I think the last last smallest ones are in this one. I think, no, these are three different sizes here, and then I got some random ones. I think these are better quality. I think these ones are waterproof. I'm not sure. So, well, I gotta look. I don't know. So I'll just put them in for now. I'll just throw it in here for the time being. I'll have to come back to it, I guess. Okay, what's anything in here? Yeah, I think that came with the IFAC refill. It's ammonia inhalant. It's smelling salts. Yeah. So, okay, let's see. What's this one? I think this is part of the IFAC. Yeah. They're all the same size. So. Alright, finger splints. Do I really want to bother with these? Because I have no idea. I can't decide on this. Maybe just just 2? I don't know. I don't know how these work. There's foam sound between a piece of metal, and basically it's really bendy until you do a taco, and then it becomes really rigid. So put your finger in it. If you break a finger, you can mold it kind of around it. And do that. Maybe use 2 of them. Yeah, I should probably have 2. Yeah, okay. I'll just pack 2 of these because I have no idea. I mean, it's one of those things you just can't figure out if you're really going to need it or not. But at the same time, you know, you'd be glad to have it and not need it, type of situations. Or, you know, glad to have it and not need it than to really need it and not have it. So I think I'll just put 2 in here. So just 2, just so I can, you know, make a clamshell around the finger. So yeah, and I'll just put this in the junk the junk pile. Okay, so I don't know if I'll fit everything in there. I think I'll go with superficial and maybe medication, and then intermediate, and then heavy trauma. So bones will be heavy trauma, so yeah. And then I got the big ones, the SAM splints. And this came as a roll, but I couldn't fit it into this thing, so I cut it in half. And the question is, do I want to put both or one? So ask that question. That is the question. I'll start with 1 because I really don't know how much I can pack in here. So, but I want the one with the label on it. So I'll just throw that in here on the back where the heavy trauma is going to be. There, and it fits, surprisingly. Well, actually, no, I cut it down the sides, actually. Yeah. So, alright. So, there you go. Alright, junk. Okay, next, meds and stuff. So, I got a bunch of weird shit here. Okay, this is definitely from the IFAC, and it's a combination of painkillers. Oh, did I open this? What is this? I don't think I've messed with this. Or did I? Oh, it's got sticky on it. So, oh yeah, I think I shrunk it down to the basics. Okay. So this came with the IFAC, and there's candy in it. Well, there's a bunch of stuff, sterile wipes. The hell is this? I don't know, it doesn't say what it is. Use as temporary relieves of symptoms due to hay fever or upper respiratory allergies. Okay. Do I have that in my dumbed down version? I don't think I do. Let's see, aspirin, non-aspirin, triple antibiotic ointment, bacteriocin ointment, maybe for bacteria? I don't know. I haven't been through this in months, guys. This is all, I gotta refresh my memory. Okay, ibuprofen, non-aspirin. Why do I have one ibuprofen? What's going on? Oh, I must have gave my brother one. He's got injuries. Okay, so I gotta refill that. Alright, so I'm gonna add 2U. Diotane. Uses temporarily as travelers, diarrhea, upset stomach, diarrhea, fullness, belching, heartburn, indigestion, diarrhea, nausea, diarrhea. Yeah, okay, definitely gonna pack those. Okay, so I got 3 pains. This one's for diarrhea, this one's for allergies, oh, that's also allergies. What's this one again? Crap. Alright, well, anyway. So I got 1 or 2 packets of each. There's some redundancy ones over here. These ones also do handle diarrhea. These are more pains, and I got some more pains over here. And I'm not going to pack the antacid ones. I just don't see the point. You know, maybe later I'll add them in. So crap, I got these last year, so expiration 2020. Okay, I'm just randomly checking these. 2020. Okay, so they're good for another year easily. So I'm just gonna pack all of these because I just don't know what I will need and what I won't need. So yeah. Okay, man, that was a headache. I'll just take one of these. Okay, now I got. I hope I got a bag big enough. I thought about using this one. Maybe I can get them all in this one. Okay. That's not too big, is it? What do you think? Okay. So, what's all this? Actually, hold on. Get through here. Okay. So, triple. What's it right here? First aid cream. Ooh, hey. Do I have that anywhere? No. Okay, this. I worry about sunburns. I do sunburn easily. Okay. So I don't mess with this at all. Wow, I thought I have. Okay, boy. Definitely want 4 of those. I hate sunburns, guys. I hate them. They're my arch enemy. Okay, so I already got those there. Let's see. Oh, these are different. Where do these come from? Oh, they must have came from the IFAC. Okay. 2019. Okay, these are dead. These are dead. 2019. Yep. Those are no go, so I gotta use these. Okay. Which are 2023. Huh? Yeah, that's good. Yeah. All right. So. Okay, that will be important. I'm gonna pack 4 of these. Okay, so 4 of these, 4 of these. Okay. And these are for keeping deep cuts and stuff clean. Definitely don't want to start getting an infection going on. So, triple antibiotic ointment. Yeah. So I'll pack 4 of these for now because I don't know how much room I'll ultimately have. And burn cream, yeah, definitely for the sunburns, or if I burn myself over on a campfire. And is it gel? Apply a small amount, not more than 3 times a daily. Okay. So we'll start with 4 each on that. Okay, so I got cuts, internal pain and allergies and stuff, and infection and sunburns and fire burns. And also, I think I pre-made this. I'm not sure. I can't remember. Let's go ahead and have a look real quick. Bunch of stuff in here. Oh yeah, soap. Okay, this is the sterile stuff. Okay, sterile pads. Bunch of them. How many of these do I need? Oh, I think I used one. Okay, so these are all pads. Okay, there's about 3 of those. Okay, what do we got here? Prep pad. Sterile use only. I have no idea what to do with those. Antiseptic towelettes. What the hell am I going to do with these? For professional and hospital use. Are these even still good? 2022, wow. So these are still good, I just don't know what to do with these. And then it comes with soap. Okay. Alright, I'll just pack these because I don't have any others. I have to get more of these. And I think I'll just pack one of these. Because these are kind of thick. So, okay, and the soap. Just in case, just for now. Okay, so IFAC came with just one of these. So these are for when you get, if you're unconscious, concussion or something. I thought about getting these just in case I come upon somebody that's unconscious. And, you know, they just seem like a really good idea to have in your med kit. So they're basically, yeah, smelling salts. So, yeah. You crack them, and I don't know if you shake them or not, but you crack them and then you hold them up to your nose or mouth, and they're supposed to wake you right out of dead sleep, right out of a coma, practically. So crap. This is a tough one, guys. I don't know how to pack this. These things are kind of bulky. I don't know how I'm going to do that. So, yeah. So I'm not sure how I'm going to do this. I like some feedback on ideas. I could probably put a couple more in here, but that's a lot. Yeah, that's a lot. Big space taker. I'm not sure. Can I put them in a? Well, no, because it could break. So there's probably a glass vial in those. Yeah, there's probably a glass vial in those. What can I put in here? See, that one came with the IFAC. So I bought more. So I don't know how many I'll ever need. So how many can I put in here? Maybe 4. Barely 4. Okay. I fit 4 in that. Right there. Well, yeah, I've got the room for now. Okay, oh crap. Hoping to fit that in there. Okay. Okay, it fits. Yeah, okay. Alright, so this is an oddball item here, but I got waterproof adhesive medical tape. So, I'm just going to throw it in there for now. Can't really tie it to me. They have these, yeah, right here. Oh, I should get those. Yeah, okay. Yeah, let's dump it in here for now. Okay, I'm gonna take a break, refresh myself, and come back. Oh, wow, 10 minutes on the battery. 9 minutes, oh boy. Alright, battery's charging. Fresh battery in, I got 79 minutes. Okay, let's finish this up here. Okay, so, gloves, that came with the IFAK. You never know when you're going to treat somebody else with your own med kit. But I'm trying to design this around myself, so I'm going to pack these anyway. So those are going to go in here for now. So there's a couple things here that I'm not sure about. I want to show these to you just in case, get your guys' opinion. Alright, definitely want my scissors in there. So, definitely want those. Okay, so we got... Okay. These are rolled gauze. Big one and a little one. And then I got a variety of pads here. Okay, so I got yeah, big ass variety here. So, huh? You want back out? Oh, what? I'm busy. No. No. Get up there. Get up there. Get up there. Come on. There. Come on. Meow. Right here. Trying to do a video. Yeah, I know. I got a big old mess right here where I used to play. Yeah. What do I got in here? Anything? Oh, yeah, more stuff. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Same size. Alright, guys. Get comfy. Oh, you want back out? You want back out? Okay, yeah. Huh? Huh? You gotta go back out? Alright. Love ya. Be safe. Okay, where was I? Okay, so I found this. This is interesting. I'm gonna pack that in for now. So this is a triangular bandage, and that kind of like a Israeli bandage, and you can use it to I don't know. I forget how to describe things. My brain is shutting down. Okay, so got that. Got 1, 2, 3. Wow. That's a big bastard. Combined fan. What's it? Oh, is it 2? Whoa. I don't know. I don't know what this is. But it's big, whatever it is. Oh, maybe it's... Okay, it's a 5x9. I heard Skinny Minnick mention 5x9s. So, I'll see if I can pack at least one of them. Start a pile over here. I'll put it over here. So one, this is a 4x4. These are kind of, wow, they're like super thin or something. Huh. I'm not sure what to do with these. These are really paper thin. Huh. Like I can literally see through it to the other side of the packaging. Yeah, wow. What the hell would be the point of that? It's supposed to be gauze, right? Yeah, gauze. Okay, I'm gonna hold off on those. Those are weird. 3x3s. Oh, crap, they're kind of the same way. See straight through them. What's the point of these? I thought they were supposed to be gauze pads, not tissue paper. I don't know. I'm gonna hold off on these guys. I just don't know about those. But I can definitely pack a couple of these. These are definitely thicker. So I'll definitely do that. I'll take the 5x9 and I don't know, 3 of these for now. I don't know. And this. Okay. Oh, and don't forget these. So this is definitely ruled gauze. This is a bigger one too. Let's see. What are these? Oh, right. Oh, you know what? I better put one of those in there. Yeah, I better add one of those. What else I have in here? Oh! Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, yeah. Like yeah, okay. I'm definitely adding that to it. This is like a rubber band. Yeah. That would be extra neat to have. Yeah, okay. So, I don't know what you call this, but I've used them before. So I definitely want to pack one of these. And yeah, they can crunch up pretty good. Should I just take it out of plastic though? I don't know. I better leave it in the plastic. That there, and oh man, I don't want to lose that. Put those in already. Yeah. Okay. Crap! I don't know where to put it. That'll work. Okay. That will have to work. And okay, and tape. I think this is more the same medical tape. Yeah, I think it is. Oh, that's just thinner. Well, shit. This one has a neat case for it. So, boy, wow, this is getting full, guys. Wow. I have to get lanyards for these so I can hold that on there. So, let's keep it loose, I guess, and put another one in there. You never know. For now, I expect it to change that up. Oh, I forgot. Okay. Definitely want that as part of my kit. Oh, that was open. Okay, so thought about using putting petroleum jelly in there because it has 101 uses for skin stuff, and definitely going to put this on here. Chapstick, moisturizer. Is it still good? I guess. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I definitely want that in here. That's definitely going in there, but I don't think I have room for this, so I have to cut the chub on that and leave that at home. Okay. I'm gonna put all this crap in here. Okay, I got it in there. That's gonna go in the trash. And this is gonna go in there. I'm tired. Okay, all this is going in there. Well, actually, this goes in here. That takes care of that. Okay, so, okay. See if I can put it all together now. Oh my God. Probably not. Probably not. Nope. Crap. Oh man. I need a lot of help with this. Crap. Oh, wow, that really won't. Yeah, definitely gotta be these. Okay. I want to get Z-folded gauze. I've seen that on the internet. I'm gonna get those. These I'm still not sure about. I'd like to, but I don't know. Okay. I don't know where to put that. Okay. Huh. Okay. Okay, so I guess I can't take that with me. Yeah, I'll get something else for gauze. No, those are too tight. Yeah, that's not gonna hold. Okay. Okay. So this is video 1 of this kit. I hope everybody pitches in with some ideas. There's some other stuff I want to collect and try and cram into it. So we'll see. Yeah. And I need to get something I can put these up on here with, so I gotta figure that out. Okay, my brain's dead. I'm done. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.